Welcome back, running system. You were still cooler with a computer on your heel though. What's going on, everybody? My name is John. You're watching Soul Post, and this is another Soul Post unboxing. Today we take a look at is the Puma RS-0. Now the RS-0, which stands for running system, was the premier running system for the Puma shoes in the 80s. And it included the Puma RS-100. There was the RS computer, which had like this giant computer on the back of the heel, and it would track your running and everything, kind of like how like your Apple Watch or like Nike Plus does now. It was extremely ahead of its time. This year, Puma decided to bring back the RS line with a retro of the RS-100, the RS-0, and the RS-350. All of them sound like cars. They sound like Italian cars. That's what everything sounds like. Now let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard green Puma box, and the colorway is white, gray violet, and biscuit green. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe has a white tumble leather upper with kind of like this black hash mark in the design of the Puma logo. It's also got a mesh toe cap with the suede toe box. Also, there's a bit of textile material right on the toe cap as well, right between the mesh and the suede. Moving towards the tongue, you've got the flat white laces, and you've also got the same textile material that you got on the toe cap. Also, you got the Puma RS-0 logo right on the tongue tag. On the insole, you've got the green Puma logo with the running system designation and some zeros and ones, kind of. That's the theme, the motif that they're going with. It's kind of like a futuristic type of shoe, which was what it was when it dropped in the 80s, but now that it's been kind of modernized, they decided to bring back the campaign again. So it's got a bunch of zeros and ones alongside the Puma logo. Moving towards the heel, you've got this biscuit green design for the back tab, and you've got a pull tab. It's kind of, it's not a stretchy pull tab. It's just kind of like nylon material. So it's just in the design of the pull tab. It's not the actual stretch. It doesn't actually really stretch. You've got a little bit of textile behind that, and you also have some on the heel counter. Getting into the medial now, you've got the same Puma logo with the little dashes and the tumble leather upper. Also on both sides there are biscuit green kind of accents right at the laces. Taking a look at the midsole, you've got a white rubber midsole with the black and biscuit green outsole. And on the outsole, you've also got the running system designation alongside the Puma logo as well. Of all three shoes that the RS line has, I definitely prefer the RS-0 over the 100 and 350. It just has that kind of, you know, low profile look, but it also has kind of like these futuristic accents, namely like the back tab and designation of the Puma logo. It has this retro but also modernized vibe, so I do actually like that. The material on this shoe is solid. The suede is a nice suede, and the tumble leather is, it's not soft, but it definitely feels durable. That's what I'll say. All around, I do like this shoe, and you know, if you find it, definitely pick it up. Now let's get some detailed looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump.
I didn't know about you.
Puma RS-0 is available at Puma retailers and on Puma.com now for a retail price of $130. Alright everyone, this has been another Soul Post unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Soul Post channel. Check out soulpost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Soul Post. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.